Students, now I am going to make a pinhole camera. All of you know pinhole camera because in every book there is a detailed construction of a pinhole camera. But you can see I have taken a medicine box. I put a cross mark here. This cross mark is this diagonal and this diagonal. Where it meets, this is the center, so I make a pinhole here with the help of a sharp pencil. I got a pinhole. So with the help of a sharp pencil, you get a pinhole. And then we need a screen. So what I do with the help of a knife, I cut this box along this, and also on the other side at the same position, I cut it. Then what I do, I insert this kind of a transparent, not transparent, this is a translucent screen passing through this. I can open this box and get it passed through it. Then I pass through this. And after building this, you should properly fix it with the help of Fevicol or Fevikwik, whatever is available to you. So I am passing this screen at the center. Why I am doing this at the center, I am going to explain it to you later, because normally in your book it is given that the screen is placed on the other end. So now it has been passed through it, and I use little bit of Fevicol so that it holds it there. Just little bit of Fevicol. Now I put it there and I close this box. Now this is finely set. Now I put, if you open this, I close this. You can fix it or you cannot fix it. Now I have to open this side. So for opening this side, I just use my knife to cut it down. So I am cutting it down. So that I can see from this side. Now I have cut it down, so this part is open now. I have to use little bit of Fevicol here also, so that this remain fixed over here. Now I use Fevicol. Now this is open. I can tear it off, no problem. I can tear it off and just fix it at this position. Now you can see the construction. The screen is visible there, and if I look at some distance source, I will see the image on it. To see, let us light a candle and see whether it is visible. You have seen that I have just now made it from a box within 2 minutes, and now I am going to light a candle and see whether I can see it. This is the candle you can see, and I place this candle very near to the hole, and since this is the candle, it is flickering. You can see a flame which is flickering, and I don't know whether you can see it is inverted. I take the candle away from the pinhole camera, and you see the size of the flame is decreased. If I increase the distance of the pinhole, then also you see that the size of the flame is decreasing. This is also a proof of rectilinear propagation of light, and also you must remember what you are getting on the screen is not an image. You have to remember that, like shadow is not an image, this, even we call it an image, but this is not really an image. This is because of the rectilinear propagation, you are getting a form of the candle on there, and if you just move it, as in the shadow, it grows larger, larger and larger. So as we go near it, it becomes very large. So this is a pinhole camera which I can make it within 2 minutes time. You can use some medicine carton, preferably if it is a square cross section, and from there, but why I have put the screen behind, little bit interior, because of the outside light. When if you put the screen here, you won't be able to see the image of the, I am calling it image of the film very clearly. But if it is inside it, if there is some projection, even then if you can make two boxes, one slides over another, then it will be much better. Then you can change the distance and various way you can clearly see it. Okay, thank you.